YouTubians. Alright, so I got the dyno mat in. I got that sucker in there. I got the tunnel, put a piece up there, welded it. I don't know why I didn't record it, but I will. So we finna lay this felt and we finna lay the carpet back down and put the seats back up in this camp, man. So we're making progress, dog. Making progress. Trust the process, like Gatsby say. Yeah, trust the process. Yeah, that's what's up. Alright, we got our felt in. Yes sir, got the felt in there. Now we're getting ready to put the carpet in. And that should give it a lot of protection, man. A lot of protection. Put that back seat in, we'll be good to go. Once that carpet get back there. And this should last at least about 8 more years before we decide to put a new floor pan in here. Because we still got to cut the hole down here somewhere with the firewall so we can put that LS wire harness in. So the next couple of videos is going to be me putting the motor together, y'all. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put that motor together. And we order some weather stripping and stuff and take all this old stuff off. Coming along pretty good, boy. Pretty good, boy. My boy. We coming pretty good. Alright. Alright, we got this dirty carpet in. We got to clean it up. Black is hard to keep clean. So, got the carpet in. Yes, sir. We got that back seat in. Clean, brand new back seat. Y'all see it. Y'all see that progress. Black dash. Yes, sir. Black is hard to keep clean. Black and white is hard to keep clean. Alright, y'all. We're gonna get the front seat, put it in there. I don't know if I'm a... Well, I might as well just fill in the front seat. So we know the floors are solid. Ooh, you don't hear no tin. All you hear, boo, boo, boo. That's solid. There you go. We gotta put the kick panels in right there. We're gonna put some the kick panels right there for the vents. Gotta put them back in. And we're making progress, man. Next, after I get the front seat in, y'all, and bolt it down, we gotta put all this stuff on the motor. The headers, all that. Yeah. So it's coming. It's coming, man. Oh, we waiting on our ICT billet alternator bracket. So we is waiting on that. We can get that in. I hate the Riddler wheels. They're so ugly. Most old cars got them. Still ain't done nothing to the motor. But it's in there. Bolted up. Trainee bolted up. Only thing we got to do now is start waiting on the ICT billet, radiator. Once we get that radiator in, we good. Transmission lines. Oh yeah, I'm waiting on my transmission lines. They're already ordered. Waiting on them. And I got to put my I gotta hook the torque converter. I gotta finish tightening the torque converter, the Circle D torque converter down. So next, guys, we're done with the inside. Now it's time to get done. Now it's time to get to working, get done with the motor, and get the computer flash and crank it up and get this car to old lady and tell her to enjoy it, and then find something else to work on. Put a beat out.
I haven't been this scared since Mother Teresa OD'd in my car. She is messed up, man! Shut up! Just shut up! Let me think! Push her out. We can't leave her alone. Push the bitch out!